RHS Geometry presents The Adventures of Squareman and the Exponential Disease. Squareman was in his house while the disease was lurking outside, wanting and waiting to spread the knowledge of his exponential growth disease. Squareman was curious about the exponential growth, so he invited the disease in after he hears a knock at the door, but Squareman doesn't know the truth about the disease. There was a knock on the door. Squareman answers the door.
What do you want?
Squareman, I've heard you don't know about the exponential growth.
No, I do not know, and I cannot do anything about that.
Well, let me show you. It's easy as pie.
The disease entered Squareman's home and started to grow.
First, I will start out as a 2 by 3 inch rectangle, and then I will add 1 row of squares to my side, making myself 2 by 4 inch rectangle.
Oh, I think I get it. Next you would add 2 rows of 4 squares to make yourself a 4 by 4 inch square.
Yes.
The disease hissed.
Then I will repeat what I just did by adding another row of squares. Finally, I will top myself with 1 row of 5 squares.
I get this, but you've taken over my house. How am I going to have room to live here?
That's the next problem. You'll have to learn how to multiply the volume of your home. You will need enough room for me, for I will keep growing for a while.
Well, then I better find some supplies. Maybe wood will be the best option to build with. Maybe I can make them into parallel lines.
Now that Squareman knew how to increase the size of a shape, he could do the same thing to multiply the surface area of his house. He could go about finding materials and maybe learn a few new things as he heads to the department store for supplies where his next problem awaits.